By default, the coordinate system in every new BuildIT model is the world axis, but if there is a need to express deviations differently, you will need to create a new coordinate system. This tutorial will show you how to do it. Under the Construct menu, select Coordinate System and Coordinate System. The origin will determine the 0xyz coordinate point. The primary axis will determine the orientation of one of the axes of the coordinate system. At this point, the coordinate system will only have 1 degree of freedom left, which will be rotation around its primary axis. The clocking axis will determine the orientation of one of the 2 remaining axes of the new coordinate system. Let's create our first coordinate system based on geometries in the model. Again, open the same command under Construct, Coordinate System and Coordinate System. Set the origin at the cylinder's endpoint. For the primary axis, choose the Curve Line Tangent filter for the vector input box and select the cylinder axis. Notice how the x-axis of the previous CS is lined up to the cylinder's axis. As for the clocking axis, choose the vector input box and set it to match the z-axis of the current active CS. Click Apply to finalize the construction. See that the axes went from gray to colored to show this coordinate system is active. You can see that the coordinate annotations are automatically updated. You can also see and change the active CS in the toolbar and in the Object Manager. Note that to create a coordinate system, the points and axes do not have to exist in your model. It's just a question of using filters. Using the same command as before, for the origin, go to the filters and select Cone and Cylinder Endpoint. Click the cylinder surface near the top end. For the primary axis, set the drop-down to Z, select the vector input box, set the filter to surface normal, and click the plane. For the clocking axis, set the drop-down to Y, select the vector input box, set the filter to cone and cylinder axis, and click the cylinder surface. Note that for each vector, you can flip the direction by clicking the plus-minus button. You might want the third axis to point in the opposite direction, and to do this, you would need to switch to a left-handed coordinate system. To do so, simply change the setting at the top of the command. Coordinate systems can also be created out of an existing one. The Coordinate System Translate command allows you to create a new coordinate system by translating an existing CS. Options include creating a coordinate system in which an existing point is at a given XYZ location. Finally, the Coordinate System Rotate command allows you to create a new coordinate system by rotating an existing CS around an arbitrary center point and the rotation axis. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit BuildITsoftware.com.